This man did something absolutely crazy. He built a portable, ultra-cheap air conditioner using just a 25-liter jug, a flower pot, some PVC pipes, and a $5 mini fan. First, he marked the jug's lid using a 45-degree PVC elbow, cut it, and sealed it with hot glue. Then, on that same elbow, he placed a drilled flower pot holder and sealed it again with silicone. But here comes the best part. He made a hole on the side of the jug, added a PVC reducer, and attached a small portable fan with zip ties. Now everything was ready for the test. He put a 5-liter container filled with ice water inside the jug and turned on the fan. And the magic happened. Cold air instantly started blowing out, cooling down the entire room in just seconds. What do you think of this homemade invention? Would you try it at home? Drop it in the comments, hit like and subscribe for more mind-blowing DIY ideas.